Narrato is a great way to manage your freelance creators and writers. To get started, click on Manage Team and invite your writers or creators to the workspace. Choose the creator role so they have access only to the tasks assigned in your workspace. You can easily assign tasks on the project and set due dates. You can also assign multiple tasks to a freelancer in one step using actions. Choose the Update Assignees option from the Actions drop-down. You can add detailed briefs for the content tasks. To give the writer guidelines. The writers will receive email notifications every time tasks are assigned. They can access all assignments on the My Tasks tab and change task status to mark them done. You can also set custom notifications for each workflow step by accessing the workflow in the Organize section. For example, you can set a notification to alert the editor when a task is updated for review. Narrato helps you manage freelancer payments too. On the Content task page, navigate to More on the left menu and click on the author icon to add a freelance creator to the task. If the content creator already has a rate associated, you'll see an option to accept the task for payment. Select the rate and confirm your acceptance of the task and rate. Accepting will automatically pick the word count from the task and the date of acceptance. You can modify the word count or undo the acceptance if needed. If the payment is already made, you can also mark the task paid. But it is best to leave this update to be done on the Payment Reports page, where you can mark multiple tasks paid at once. You can also add a freelancer as an author on multiple content tasks using the Actions drop-down. And you can mark multiple tasks accepted for payment from the Actions drop-down too. Simply select the freelancer rates and accept the chosen tasks for payment. To add a freelancer's rate, navigate to Teams under the main menu, and go to Freelancers Payment. Under Add Freelancers, click on Add, Update Freelancers. Select the user. Click on Add Rate. Fill in the details, and save. You can add multiple rates for a freelancer based on the type of task, and update new rates for existing freelancers too. Navigate to the Payment Reports tab. Click on a freelancer's name to view the detailed report. You can also download the report as a PDF. Once you have paid for the jobs, you can click on Mark Paid and mark all jobs paid at once, or click through individual jobs to update the payment status. You also have the option to select multiple freelancers' jobs and mark them paid at once from the Actions drop-down under the Payment Reports page. Managing your freelance writers has never been easier. Try out Narrato's freelancer management features today.